Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can change system colors on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. The first thing that we need to do is go to the settings. In the settings you want to tap personalize, and then over here we have colors, and here you can change the theme of our system, or the actually colors of our system. Over here you have some basic colors that we can simply use. You can also tap on this rainbow color in order to open the color picker, so we can tap palette in order to select a specific color that we wish to have, and then you can press save. You can also choose one of these wallpaper colors, and over here you will have suggestions based on the current wallpaper that you use. You can also apply this option to, there we go, to themed icons over here, as you can see. And perhaps we need to actually select one before this update, so we're gonna press save. And yeah, there we go. So if you change the color and press save, then actually those icons are also changing. So now I have switched to a pink color, and as you can see, we have not only icons but different settings should also change the color, at least anywhere where the pink was used. In this case we have some just black and white colors, and that's all. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!